So you are the miserable lady that wants to destroy my home.
And what if I am?
Ah, this soup is so yummy.
The fish too is sweet well.
I told you, the best.
Correct, let's enjoy.
So this video you just watched is not made by Grok. It's made by the app that I want to show you today. You know that Grok is very expensive. 48,500, almost 50k. When you want to see them every month, as a beginner that you are upcoming on YouTube, how do you want to be creating content every month with 48,500 with other tools or with other apps? How? But I'm here to tell you something that will shock you. You have it, but you will not be aware about it. It will give you unlimited video, just like the way Grok was giving us before. Even better. All I want you to do is to watch this video till the end. Yeah, the video might be lengthy, but it is very informative. It is very helpful. So now, let's go to my YouTube studio and see. If you don't have ChatGPT, you go to Play Store or Apple Store to download it. So if you have it already, come with me. This is ChatGPT here. You open it. Then when you've opened it, you will see create an image, write or edit or look something up. So for the purpose of this training, so I'm going to be generating a 30-second script for us to be able to see what I am talking about. So now just watch me, and I love to use the voice. So I want a 30-second detailed script of two best friends fighting over a man. So I want a dialogue between them. So now that's giving us best friend betrayal. What a very lovely title. We have Amara, we have Favor, and all that. So what we are going to do now, since we have gotten our script, now we want to get the image right. So I'm still going to tell ChatGPT to generate the image of both of them in the cafe, since it told us about cafe. So I want you to generate an image of the two friends sitting in a cafe having this argument, a well detailed image of the two friends, Amara and Favor. So now ChatGPT is generating the image. You can use other app. You can use Gemini AI. You can use Whiskey AI. You can just use any AI to generate your image. But for the purpose of this training, I'm using ChatGPT. So now that we have gotten the image, so this is our image here. Dominic, please. So this is our image here. So you will have to save it. We'll have to save this image to go to where we are going. I say going to where we are going. To go to the app that we want to use that will generate this image to video. So let's save it. So please do save it. For you to do this, you need to have YouTube. If you don't have YouTube, go and download it. We are now in YouTube here. So you see this plus sign here. You are going to click this plus sign. See this plus sign here. You see video, you will see short, you see live, you see post. So you are going to go to you are going to go to shorts. When you are going to go to shorts, you are going to see a star here and a circle of it. You are going to click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see create video, make me move, photo to video, image. So you are going to create you're going to click on this photo to video. When you click photo to video, you will see all our video. When you click photo to video, to take you to your gallery where you have your saved image. So you click on this save image here. Voila. When you click on this save image. So sorry guys, what I'm supposed to do is that I'm supposed to copy our dialogue, our script. So that's what we are going to do. So I'm going to go back and copy our script and bring it here for the purpose of this tutorial. Or you can just type anything you want to type to bring your image to reality. Okay, let me just type what I want to type here. So let me just say Amara wearing black top. Please leave my boyfriend alone. Favor wearing white. Never I love him so much. So just always put in Nigerian accent so that we'll be able to get it away. So when you do that, you just click on this arrow sign and move it. So let's see.
Amara, please, I am begging you, just leave my boyfriend alone. Favor, I hear you, but I never imagined I could love him this much.
When you are done with this, you see these three dots here, just click on it and save to device. Voila, you have gotten your video just like the way you have Grok. All I need for you to share this video, like it, comment. Yeah.